A lot of dirty dishes.
And a messy room. Look. Clean up, please.
Okay, Auntie Beth. Let's take a break a little bit.
Huh? Auntie May, you need my help? Okay, I'm coming.
I wish Auntie Beth wasn't so strict with us.
Hi, Jannie. What is this? This is my magic vending machine.
What do you mean?
You can turn Auntie Beth into any robot in here. How? Look.
Hi, kid. Let me clean up for you.
Amazing!
Thank you, Lyndon. You're welcome. Whenever you want to change it to a new robot, just use a coin. Okay, thank you. Ha ha ha.
Maddie.
Done.
Hi.
I'm so hungry. Can you make me food?
No. Sorry.
Huh? But Auntie Beth always cooks for me.
I only know how to clean up. Trash. Okay.
Huh?
This is Maddie's drawing, not trash.
Auntie, where's my drawing?
You drew me?
That is it.
Aw, it's so nice, Maddie. I love it.
Don't worry, Maddie. I got it.
Hi, kid. Let me cook for you.
Wow.
All done. Ta-da! Enjoy your food.
Huh? I don't eat junk food.
Can you cook something healthier?
Huh? Pizza again?
I only know about junk food.
Help.
Easy. Here's your food.
Wait, she doesn't want pizza. She wants help with her homework.
I only know how to cook junk food.
And the bed no.
Maddie, make sure that you choose the correct color. Nice! Try this one, Maddie. Make sure to color inside the lines. Beautiful. Slow down. Take your time.
Okay, baby.
This color is green.
Don't worry, Maddie. I got it.
Hi, Maddie. Hi, Jannie.
Perfect. Can you help Maddie with her homework?
Yes, I can help. Let's go, Maddie.
Help.
Okay. Is red. Number 2 is green. Apples are green. Yellow is 3.
That's cute.
Welcome, Maddie. Do more homework, please. Maddie, do homework, please.
Huh?
What's wrong?
Do your homework, Maddie.
No.
Aha! Where is Maddie?
Really? You're here?
What's wrong, Jannie?
Maddie went that way.
Okay, thank you.
Maddie, you can come out now. I miss Auntie Beth.
Me too.
Ah, let's find her. Come on.
for?
Auntie Beth.
But she's not here. Sorry, Maddie.
Uncle Zach, do you know where Auntie Beth is?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Huh?
I'm Tabby the tablet. I'm here to help.
Hi, Tabby.
What's wrong, Jannie?
We thought robots were better than Auntie Beth, but we were wrong.
I'm glad you understand now.
Yeah, but can you help me find her?
No problem. Let's use this.
A phone?
This phone will help you find Auntie Beth.
Thank you, Tabby.
You're welcome. Bye.
Don't worry, Maddie. I got it. Let's go.
Do homework, Maddie.
Maddie, run! Don't worry, Maddie. She's not here.
I am here.
Oh.
Maddie, do homework. Maddie, do homework.
No.
Wake up, kids. If you're tired, just go to bed. I'll clean it up.
Huh? Where's the robot?
What do you mean?
It's just a dream.
Aww.
Sorry, Auntie Beth. I'll clean up.
Thank you, Jannie.
Luckily, it was just a dream. All done now, Auntie Beth.
Good job, kids.
We won't make a mess anymore, and we will help you.
Nice. Thank you.
You're welcome, Auntie Beth.
Bye.